Hey y'all, it's me, your local meteorologist from Columbia, South Carolina. I am reporting on this dangerous kill storm. Right, Sean? You see it, right, Sean? Y'all, it's snowing. See, y'all, it's sticking to me. This some crazy stuff, y'all. I sure hope you got your bread, milk, water, and eggs. Because these roads are deteriorating fast. It's like a winter wonderland, y'all. This is a bad kill storm. Y'all see it coming down? It's sticking to my head and stuff. Ooh, it's getting dangerous. It's sticking to me. I ain't got no jacket on. It's sticking to me. This kill storm is getting so bad. Look at it flowing everywhere. See it? "2018 blizzard, y'all. 2018 kill storm, y'all. It's coming to get us, y'all. Coming. But you know what? Ain't nobody got time for that.